Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our problem is design hit counter. Design a hit counter which counts the number of hits received in the past 5 minutes. Each function accepts a timestamp parameter in seconds granularity, and you may assume that calls are being made to the system in chronological order. The timestamp is monotonically increasing. You may assume that the earliest timestamp starts at 1. It is possible that several hits arrive roughly at the same time. Alright, let's get into the example. So, in this example, let us work through it together. So, first, the counter hit at timestamp 1, which means we have 1 stored. And then hit at timestamp 2, we have 2 stored. And then hit at timestamp 3, we have 3 stored. And then we have get hits at timestamp 4. The get hits means that we are getting the size of all the timestamps if they are within 5 minutes ending at timestamp 4. So in this case, all the timestamps we have so far are within 5 minutes. So we return 3 in this case, but we do not store 4. And then we hit at timestamp 300. We store 300. And then we have get hits at 300. Same thing in this case, all the elements are within 5 minutes. So we return the size of the array. And then we have get hits at timestamp 301. In this case, 1 is not in the range. So we have to remove 1. And then our size is 3 in total. So let me rephrase how each function works. So for hit, we just store the timestamp. For get hits, we first have to check if all the elements are within the range. If not, we remove the earlier timestamps. So we remove earlier timestamp based on the current timestamp, and then get the total size. Alright, because the timestamp is monotonically increasing, and we always remove the timestamps that is earlier. So I think Q is a data structure to use for this problem, because Q is first in, first out. So every time we get to a timestamp, if earlier time is not in the range, we just remove them. In other words, to have a lazy deletion to the timestamps. Alright, let's get started. So let's have a no, not here. And for hit, we just add in the timestamp for get hits. We always check if it's whether or not it's empty to avoid null pointer exception, and then q smaller or equal to the current timestamp minus 300, because all the timestamp are recorded in a second, right? So if they are not in the range, we remove them. Then we return the size of it. So I think the logic is pretty simple. Let me double check. Right. Cool. Thanks for watching.